Hello friends, welcome to the series of our channel. Welcome to Merchant of Venice. Friends, I hope you have already gone through my earlier videos. If you have not gone through my earlier videos, then please follow my videos so that it will be easy for you to be thorough in the text and it will be easy for you to connect with the ongoing videos. Yes friends, today in the video we'll be doing with Act 1 Scene 2, line number 126 to 137 and coming to Neresa's speech. Now before moving on with the main text friends, if you do like our videos then please like and share with your friends and also press the bell icon button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Friends, if you have any queries you can drop it in the comment section and also give your feedback. So coming to the main text, Neresa's speech in line number 126 to 129. What Neresa has to say? Neresa says that, "Do you not remember, lady, in your father's time, a Venetian, a scholar, and a soldier that came hither in company of the Marquis of Montferrat?" What does she mean to say? She means to say that, don't you remember Portia, my mistress, in your time, in your father's time? That means, don't you remember, Nerissa is reminding Portia about this Venetian person during her father's time, that is when her father was alive. Then a Venetian scholar and a Venetian soldier, that is a person from Venice had come to Belmont who was a scholar and was also a soldier. She is ironically saying this. Nerissa is reminding Portia, her mistress, about Bassanio, and she is ironically saying this because neither Bassanio was neither a scholar nor a soldier. So she is ironically saying this. Now this person Bassanio came to Belmont in the company of Marquis of Montferrat, which is the title of an Italian nobleman. So this title, that is Marquis of Montferrat, is the title given to an Italian nobleman. So this person, this Bassanio, came along with him. That is this person Bassanio came along to Belmont along with the company of, or in the company of, this Marquis of Montferrat. So this is what is said by Nerissa in her speech 126 to 129. Coming to Portia's line in line number 130 to 131. What Portia has to say? Portia says that, yes, it was Bassanio, and as I think, so was he called. So she is reminded, or she is pretending, Portia is pretending, yes, it was Bassanio. Portia is pretending to have forgotten his name so as not to appear too curious on him. So she is showing Nerissa, she is pretending to Nerissa that, that she has forgotten his name was someone, Bassanio. This way she is saying that, that person name was Bassanio, right? So this way she is telling to Nerissa that she is pretending that I am not so curious about knowing Bassanio, or I just don't remember the name also, that person was Bassanio. So coming to Nerissa's lines in line number 132, line number 132 to 134. What Nerissa has to say? Nerissa says that, true madam, he of all the men that ever my foolish eyes looked upon was the best deserving a fair lady. What does she mean to say? She means to say that, true madam, he of all the suitors that I have ever looked upon by the foolish eyes was the best deserving a fair lady like you. Now she is saying that, truly lady, truly madam, I truly tell you this, that of among all the suitors that have come to Belmont, this is the only person whom my foolish eyes, or whom I you can say whom my foolish eyes like it means among all the suitors that have come to Belmont, I dislike all of them, or I don't have a good eye upon them, but my foolish eyes, these eyes who are unable to choose the correct person, these foolish eyes choose this person as the correct person who can marry you, who can woo you. He is the only deserving person I find among all the suitors that have come to Belmont, that deserves you, that deserves a fair lady like you. This is what is meant by Nerissa. Now Portia says that. Portia says in her line number 135, Portia says, I remember him well, and I remember him worthy of thy praise. Now she is saying that, oh yes, I remember him, that and whatever praise that, and whatever good talks that you're talking about him, and whatever good things that you're talking about him, he is worthy of that. He is deserving your words. He deserves your words. Here we see an entry of a servant. Here in these lines, in between the lines, we see that a servant enters the scene. The scene is created, so we see the entry of a servant. What does Portia further says? Portia says, "How now? What news?" Portia says, Portia asks her servant that what is the news and why have you come here and what's the news. So this is what is the explanation from line number 126 to 137. Friends, if you have any queries, you can drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon button and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Bye.